This is the layout I get at the Days Inn in Lake City. There's the address right there. This is what they give you. Find your room. Little map. So it shows this is the front desk. Over here is Highway 90, right here in the front. Over here on the left, about a quarter mile away, is I-75. So this is where I always stop. I had no complaints about this Days Inn. So you can see I generally get in about 10 p.m. coming from the Hard Rock in Tampa. This is my stop on the way to Biloxi. So this is the floor plan. Parking's over here. This is like a courtyard on this side with a pool, nice pool, maintained. And in this hallway here, walk through from the parking lot into this patio pool area is ice vending and guest laundry. And then on this side is parking over here. So it's nice. You can get up in the morning if you want, go out in the pool area and have your coffee. They have a breakfast here, but it is basically nothing. It's some sweet rolls, coffee, and cereal. It's not a lot. But there are restaurants here. There's a McDonald's across the street over here, Chick-fil-A on this side, and I think there's a steakhouse on the right side. And all along Highway 90, in the front of the Days Inn, all kinds of fast food restaurants. So it's a nice stop for me on the way to Biloxi. Then from here I drive 6 hours into Biloxi on I-10. I-10 is about 5-10 minutes north on I-75. Get back on I-75, go north up to I-10, or straight ahead on 75 till Valdosta, Georgia.